If you show us around the particular work when you say more contract for your office.
We have a staircase here, staircase railing.
Okay. Let me show our viewers, let us see the way when you do. This one a staircase railing. Okay. Okay, may you raise and small make our viewers see. Okay. So make you explain to us what it is here.
Yeah, this top pipe, 2 inches square pipe by 2 mm thickness. Design with 12 mm square rod for the design.
Okay.
This 1 inch pipe, 1.5 thickness. This 14 mm square rod for the lining. We have this bushy designs.
Okay.
Imported one. At the standing and the inch of square pipe 1.5 mm.
Okay. So now those things now they inside. So this particular work when you do so now the owner tell you the kind of things when you want to use. I mean now you advise some.
Yeah, I advise some. I advise some.
Okay, now you advise some the best when you go good for the work. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers of Lagos and Ogun State Talk Show. Me when they talk to you, my name is John Osas. We dey one location for Lagos State by Ikeja along before Ajayi Farm. We can see one of our brother when he dey into things. We ask him his name and the things when he dey into. So I gotta make it have you as your name.
My name is Fred Ojagbonye.
Fred Ojagbonye. Okay.
I'm into wedding and fabrication.
Okay. Into wedding and fabrication, how you dey do? Yeah. So which work you dey do? You specialize on for this wedding when you dey do again?
I dey do a gate, fence, window protector, handrail, carport, shop doors, standing.
Okay. So if you show us around the particular work when you say more contract for your office.
We have a staircase here, staircase railing.
Okay. Let me show our viewers, let us see the way when you do. This one a staircase railing. Okay. Okay, may you raise and small make our viewers see. Okay. So make you explain to us what it is here.
Yeah, this top pipe, 2 inches square pipe by 2 mm thickness. Design with 12 mm square rod for the design.
Okay.
This 1 inch pipe, 1.5 thickness. This 14 mm square rod for the lining. We have this bushy designs.
Okay.
Imported one. At the standing and the inch of square pipe 1.5 mm.
Okay. So now those things now they inside. So this particular work when you do so now the owner tell you the kind of things when you want to use. I mean now you advise some.
Yeah, I advise some. I advise some.
Okay, now you advise some the best when you go good for the work. Okay. So now how much finish this work, okay?
We charge per square meter. Per square meter is 50,000 naira.
50,000 per square meter. Okay. It's alright. Make we check around and make our viewers make that they see them. So that one see the one we check.
Yeah.
Okay. This one, which one, okay?
This one is 100.
100. Okay. Make we see show them from side, make our viewers see them. So may you see explain to us what today inside this 100.
Top pipe, 2 inches square pipe by 2 mm thickness.
Okay.
We have this foreign facade design here.
Okay.
And then 1 inch square pipe by 1.5 thickness. We have quarter round pipe by 1.5 thickness. We have here bushly, imported bushly.
Okay.
And 12 mm square up for the designs.
Okay. So this one now see the owner, now I tell you what you go use.
Yeah, that's it. By showing pictures.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So we believe say once this one the production finish, it will be very fine. But even as you never finish, the thing don't be fine for us. So okay, how much for this one so?
50,000.
50,000 per square meter. So now the same thing with the staircase really. Okay. So any other thing they want to check?
The shop doors.
The shop doors.
Yeah.
Okay, make we check out. Okay, so Oga, now the shop doors with this one.
Yeah.
Waiting and waiting there inside this one.
1.5 plate thickness. And each have square pipe by 1.5.
Okay. So what of the land when you cover around?
Yeah, to prevent dust.
Okay, now to prevent dust. So which side this work they go now as it don't finish?
They go Ikeja and
Ikeja GRA and Ikowoche. And you say now shopping complex doors.
shopping complex. Yeah.
Okay, so in case our viewers they want to do this kind of door and they need this kind of thing for that shopping complex, if you tell us how much finish this work?
100,000 as a double. It's a single 50,000 naira.
Okay, single is 50,000.
Yeah. Double.
While the double is 100,000. So one like this time a double.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We don't see him. Now the front with this one, Abi?
Yeah. No, this is the back.
So that one at the back. And we don't see the front most here be. Because space not there yet to move on. No wahala, no wahala. Wahala not there that one. Come this side. Any other thing they want to check? Okay, this one. Now see production in progress. Now this one now. This one the work still go on. No worry. Since you are working on it, no need. They will show our viewers around your office. May they see them.
We have change in case
Okay. So Oga, make you. If our viewers give you work now, how soon you fit to deliver the work?
yeah, we deliver in time because we have change to back up with the light. If they like we have change to back up. So
Okay.
that make our work move fast.
Okay, so Oga, if our viewers they want give you work for other part of the West, Kwara State, Ondo, Oyo, Osun, Ekiti, Ogun State, and Lagos when we still there, so if you go there go work.
Yeah.
If you go there go work.
Yes.
Okay. So if our viewer want reach you, how do you reach you?
This is through my phone number.
Your phone number. So make call that phone number for us.
080 34 00 3308.
Again.
080 34 00 3308.
Okay. So Oga, what about this red thing where they see for here? What can it be?
Yeah, this one a carport.
Carport. Okay. So this one is ready for delivery. Okay. So now how much finish this particular carport in case of our viewer want to also?
600,000 naira.
600,000. Let's finish the carport. Okay. Okay. Our viewers all over the world. They can now mind the nuance now because of the location where we did now long express road, Ikeja by Ajayi Farm. And there we did so. Come see our brother when they into welding and fabrication. Now the office, then we can check. If now give any of our person work, then can not forget to call the number when they top of this screen for proper monitoring. We thank you now for the time when actually watch our video. God bless you all.